Reggie, bilang isang captain, how proud are you to see your team nanalo na walang import yung kalaban pero you pulled out a good win?
Yun nga, sabi mo nga po, I'm really proud of my team for stepping up. Everyone, lahat ng pinasok, nag-step up eh. And coming into the game, gusto naman talaga namin ipakita kasi si JJ, sinacrifice niya yung sarili niya, sinacrifice niya yung career, yung reputation niya to show the organization, to show us what he really feels about this team and what we mean to him. And coming to this game, gusto lang namin ipakita na gusto rin namin lumaban for JJ. And this game was for him and hopefully magtuloy-tuloy pa. And sana makalayo kami this conference.
Yung ganitong panalo ba, parang malakas maka-boost ng confidence heading to the rest of the conference? Lalo na, ito nga, kaya nyo pala, walang import.
Siyempre, malaking confidence booster pero siyempre hindi rin namin gustong masyadong mataas kasi doon din minsan nadadali. So, we'll enjoy this win pero tomorrow, focus na kami back to neutral, focus na kami sa Blackwater, and hopefully manalo kami sa Blackwater.
And ikaw mismo, sa tingin mo, ano pa kailangan natin improve para mapulido pa natin ang kampanya natin sa Commissioner's Cup?
More on siguro maturity lang po, better decision making, pero yung mistakes naman namin, part of the game, part of the growth as a team. So, tuloy-tuloy lang namin yung pag-grow namin as a team and yung paggaling namin individually and collectively.